Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find a cool wallpaper for your phone in Canva. So here in Canva, you can easily find an awesome or cool wallpaper that you can use for your wallpaper. And here I've already opened the app, so you can just scroll down on the home page until you find the wallpaper section. So just scroll down. Okay, this one, phone wallpaper. So just click on see all to see all of the wallpaper available that you can download freely. So for example, so there are a calendar wallpaper like here. There is a photo or quotes like this, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your style the best. So I'm going to just select the quotes wallpaper. For example, this one, I like this one, so click on the wallpaper, and after that, just to set it as your wallpaper, you can just download it first. So by clicking on the arrow at the top, this one, so the wallpaper will be saved as image to your gallery, and after that you can set it as your wallpaper. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.